Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm Disney Stranger and today we are at Fort Wilderness Campground. We're gonna ride the boat from here, Fort Wilderness, all the way across to there, Magic Kingdom. Join us for this fun ride.
Passed away.
Hi, we're going on the boat right now to Magic Kingdom. The boat to Wilderness Lodge and the other resorts is not coming, it's closed. So we're going to the Magic Kingdom.
All right. Thank you, Taylor.
Just watch your stuff as you enter, okay?
We're on the outside?
Yeah.
You're gonna be on the end?
Bon voyage.
Hello.
Ew, this is wet. Let's have it enough out.
So if anyone is curious as to what river country looks like these days, this is what we're looking at. Right there was the entrance. All the trees have been bulldozed. And just beyond this group of trees over here is probably a good view of what it used to look like. And of course, across the way is the old Discovery Island, which was closed up, one of the first parks to be closed at Walt Disney World, Discovery Island. Just beyond the trees and the pile of dirt in the background, this is where River Country once stood. The actual park itself that's been bulldozed. We'll zoom in a little bit closer here. That's what's left of River Country. And just to get your bearings, Discovery Island is just here on the other side. For those who attempt to try to travel to the island, I can see a camera watching you right there. They have cameras set up here on the island to make sure no one sneaks on the island anymore. It's been accessed by many urban explorers lately. Here we have the Fort Wilderness Lodge over there. There's our pilot up there. Hi, pilot.
Pilot?
Our captain.
Why did you say pilot? That's for an airplane.
Off in the distance, you can see the construction for the Tron ride. That's the scaffolding up tall beyond the two hotels. This is a great view. If you ever could get a contemporary hotel room there with the deck and the patio right there by the water, how beautiful is that? They've just waved to the past 23 boats that passed by since noon. Yes.
That's a sign I need for my place. No wait.
There's the Contemporary Convention Center. Now, not many people realize this is a boat bridge. This is actually a bridge that goes over a roadway. Down this direction we have the Polynesian Resort. Covering up the Main Street train station, we have the scrim still in front of the train station building. Everybody can see Cinderella's castle in the background.
Attention all hands, we are preparing to dock. This is a free-floating vessel, and docking can be bumpy at times. For your safety, if you're seated, remain seated, and if you're standing, hold on to the handrail. Please keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat until the captain gives you the all clear to go ashore. on ashore. You are now clear to exit the boat. Gather all your personal items and take small children by the hand.
I follow him now.
Have a safe trip.
Where's the car park?
Don't forget to walk backwards. My parents and my in-laws are going to take the boat back to Fort Wilderness while we do a little adventuring around the resorts here at the Magic Kingdom, which you can check out in other vlogs. Thanks again for joining us on this trip from Fort Wilderness Campground all the way over here to the Magic Kingdom. We really appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out these videos. And remember, guys, don't forget to walk forward.
Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.